Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to enable comments on your Wix website in 2023. Enabling comments can help you engage with your audience and build a sense of community on your website. So, let's simply get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. So now what we need to do, of course, is just go and open whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually using Brave. But of course, in your case, you can use any other browser could be possibly working for you. As an example, you can use Google Chrome, you can use Firefox, you can use Opera, you can use Brave like me, even Internet Explorer if it's working for you. So whatever browser you have or you want to use, go ahead and use it. Once you do that, of course, you can simply go to your URL section and simply type wix.com and hit the enter button. That should take you directly to the home screen or the main screen of Wix website. And of course, here, if you have an account, you can simply click on the login option and that will take you to this page. Of course, here, you can simply enter your email and check this remember me option if you don't want to keep logging in into your account every time you get into the site or into the website. Of course, if you forgot your email, you can simply click here so you can get it back or remember it. Of course, make sure to read this term of use and privacy policy so you don't get in any future troubles. As you can see, you can read them very carefully because it's very important so you don't have any problems in the future with Wix company. Of course, this site is protected by reCAPTCHA Enterprise, Google privacy and terms of use apply, so make sure to read them. And of course, you can even log in into your account with Google, Facebook, or even Apple, or with your SSO. If you don't have an account, make sure to click on the sign up option. And of course, from here, you can create your account by entering your email, then retype in your email, creating a password, and type in your password again, then clicking on sign up. Of course, again, you can create your account with Google account or even Facebook account. And by signing up, you're agreed to our term of use and the knowledge you've read our privacy policy. It's the same as I showed you before. So for me, let me just fill this information real quick right here. Let's say an example that's going to be my email. I'm just going to retype it like this. The password, let's say it's going to be something like this. And let's just re-enter it. And here we are. As I said, you can, or you don't have to fill all of those. If you want, you can simply click add continue with Google if you have your Google account already connected and choose the email or the Gmail that you want to connect with. For me, I choose the same email that I choose here. So now let me just save this. So next time I want to log in or something, I'll not have to fill those manually. And here I'll have to answer a quick survey. So let's set up with the right tools. First, who are you creating a website for? Of course, you can answer those questions or you can simply click on skip. So do whatever suits you. For me, let's say as an example for me or my business or friend. So click on continue. And here, what kind of websites are you creating? Let's say as an example, online store. Click on next. Should not take a lot of time, this survey. And of course, if you're getting bored, as I said, always click on skip. Enter your store name. Let's say, an example, it's going to be something like this. Click on next, because this survey will even help you understanding a lot, and even they will even help you and give you a recommendation based on your survey right here. So let's say, an example, it's going to be blog. I don't know, maybe music, video, and click on next. Why not? So here, as you can see, we can simply now go to our dashboard. And as you can see, they are preparing my dashboard right now. So I'll have to wait a couple of seconds and I'm gonna be right there. So as you can see, now we are at the dashboard of my Wix account. And here, of course, I would like to finish this steps to set up my store. As an example, I'll have to add my first product and then set up a payment method. Then of course, set up shipping and delivery address. Then design my website, then connect to a custom domain, then get found by customers on Google. So the first step, of course, is just go to your left panel here and click on apps. Let's just wait for the page until it loads. And here on search app option, simply type comments. So the first thing that you would like to do, of course, is just to take some time to make some research about all the apps right here to match your preferences. For me, I will suggest you with this comments app or this Wix comments. This Wix comments is free to install, and this comments app is free plan available, and it has a high rating with a lot of rating. So for you, choose whatever suits you. Let's, as an example, we choose this Wix comments because it's free to install. This one is free to install also, and it has a free plan available, but it may contain some paid plans if you want more features. So let's just choose this Wix comments for me as an example. And for you, of course, you can choose any other app. So make your own research for what's good for you. Once you do that, of course, all of the apps will enable comment to your Wix website. So simply here, if you want to add it to your site, click on Add to Site. Remember that this app is available worldwide, so you can use this wherever you are. And the app's languages provided by this app is Dutch, English, French, German, Hebrew, Italian, Japanese, Korean, Portuguese, and Spanish. This app is made by Wix, so it's trusted and don't worry about anything. Of course, the features that comes with Wix is customize the display design and comment layout to match your style and add emoji reaction, upvotes and downvotes or disable reaction at all. Highlight and pin feature comments to make them stand out and collects rating and testimonials and customer feedback. Of course, if you want to read all the features, make sure to click on read more and read all of that. So once you decided what app you would like, make sure to click on add to site. Once it's added, of course, you will have to simply customize it. Of course, everything will be guided and given information, but by any app you add it to your site. Once you add it to your site and install it, they will give you all the guide you need or all the instructions you need to customize anything you want. So once you add it to your site and connect it to your store, you will have to customize it, as I said. So you can customize the comment section to match your website design, and you can change the font, the color, the layout of the comment section by going to the design tab on it. And of course, you'll be able then to manage comments and reply to comments through the app. Of course, to ensure that your comment section remains respectful and constructive, you can set moderation rules, and this will allow you to filter out comments that contains certain word or phrases or that come from certain users. To set comments moderation rules, of course, you can go just to the Wix comment settings and you'll be able to do that. Of course, to check everything is working, you'll have to go to another browser as an example, or you can just open the incognito and go to your store and check if your comments is enabled and working very well. And that's it for this video on how to enable comments on your Wix website in 2023. Enabling comments can help you engage with your audience and build a sense of community on your website. I hope this tutorial was helpful, and if you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.